Objectives of management. The next topic is objectives of management. So, management seeks to achieve certain objectives which are derived from the basic purpose of the business. Objectives are the ends towards which all activities of an organization are directed. In any organization, there are different objectives, and management has to achieve all the objectives in an effective and efficient manner. The objective of an organization can be classified into three categories: organizational objective, social objective, personal or individual objectives. Organizational objectives. Organizational objectives are the main objectives which are needed to achieve the economic goals of the organization. Management is responsible for setting and achieving objectives for the organization. It has to achieve a variety of objectives in all areas, considering the interest of all stakeholders, including shareholders, employees, customers, and the government. The main objective of any organization is to utilize human and non-human resources in the most efficient and effective manner. That is to achieve prosperity and growth of the organization. Every organization aims to achieve following three organizational objectives, that is survival, profit, and growth. Survival. The basic objective of any organization is to ensure that it continues to survive and exist in the future. Survival is possible only when organization is able to earn enough revenue. Profit. Profit is the lifeblood of business, without which we do not have business can survive. So management has to ensure that the all organization makes profit. Profit provides a vital incentive for the continued successful operation of the enterprise. Profit is the reward for risk bearing and is essential to cover cost. Next one is growth. So what is growth in business? A business to add to its prospectus in the long run. For this, the organization must grow and expand to survive in the long run. Growth of an organization indicates how well it is able to exploit its potential opportunities. Growth is measured in terms of sales volume, increase in number of employees, market share, number of products, increase in capital, investment, etc. Next, what is social objectives? Social objectives refers to the objectives which are desired to be achieved for the benefit of the society. As a part of the society, every organization, whether it is business or non-business, has a social obligation to fulfill. It means management must consistently create economic values for various constituents of society. Some of the major social objectives include protection of environment by using environment-friendly methods of production, generation of employment opportunities for weaker or underprivileged sections of society, providing basic amenities like schools and healthcare, etc. for community, supply of good quality products at fair prices, conducting business in lawful manner, avoidance of anti-social and unfair trade practices. Next, what is that personal or individual objectives? An organization is made up of people who have different personalities, backgrounds, experiences, and objectives. They all become part of the organization to satisfy their diverse needs. As employees are one of the most valuable resources for an organization, satisfaction of their objective is very important. Personal objectives include satisfying the following needs: financial needs like competitive salaries and perks, social needs like peer recognition, higher level needs such as policies for personal growth and development, good and healthy working condition. In case personal objectives are not satisfied, employees may lose interest in work and it may hamper organizational performances. So, management must aim to reconcile personal goals with organizational objectives for harmony in the organization.